If you're experiencing account sync issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the settings and test your Wi-Fi or wired connection to confirm it is working properly. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can fix sync issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update Steam Client. Make sure your Steam client is up to date. Open Steam, go to the settings menu, and check for any available updates. Install any updates and restart the client if necessary. Step 4. Verify game files. If the sync issue is related to specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. In your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Relog into Steam account. Log out of your Steam account and then log back in. This can refresh your account settings and may resolve any sync issues. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Happy gaming!